All right, let's go to social media check-in. What do we got?
All right, our first comes from Jinat BD Pasha, a Brad Squad VIP member, saying, I submitted an I-589 after the 1-year bar and completed biometrics, but I'm still waiting for the interview. If I file an I-765 a year after I was notified that my I-589 was received, will my I-765 be approved, and how long will it take?
Yes, you filed 1 year after. Was this asylum she filed? Yeah, I assume. Yes. Yeah, so how long? A couple weeks. Work permits for asylum are fast.
Dahlia McKenzie, another Brad Squad VIP member. If I need to refile the I-485, can I change states or do I need to remain in the state that I filed originally?
You can file from whatever state you're living in.
Oscar, Brad Squad VIP member. Can someone in removal proceedings renew his work authorization with pending I-130?
Only with a pending adjustment, you can.
Lawrence Niddle, another Brad Squad VIP member. USCIS requested that I take my medical and bring it along when going for biometrics. Is this normal?
No, you don't bring your medical to the biometrics. You bring it to the interview. I think you read the notice wrong.
John Adal on Facebook. If a person has a pending VAWA case and a valid advance parole, can that person renew his AP if it expires while overseas?
No, you have to do it here in the United States.
Olga Murillo on YouTube. Can I file an I-131 to travel domestically within the United States?
You don't need an I-131 to travel domestically. Just travel.
Brian on YouTube. What does it mean if my I-751 is assigned to an officer for review in 19 months of waiting?
Means that an officer's looking at it. We just don't know how long it's going to take.
Natasha Baburam on Facebook. Can someone check their status on an I-485 based on an approved VAWA?
Yes, you can go online. You can call immigration. You can do an InfoPass appointment. All three work.
Leslie Benoit on YouTube. I filed for a VAWA and I did the fingerprints. It's been 16 months and I never received anything else. No RFE, no prima facie. Is this something I should be worried about?
No, it's taken over 2 years.
Elizabeth Francis on Facebook asks, can I travel with an extension?
Extension of what?
It's an extension.
Let us know what extension you're talking about. I assume the extension, now that I'm thinking about it, I assume she's talking about she filed an I-751 and she got an extension notice of her green card, I assume, but there could be a lot of different extensions she could be talking about. That would be the most likely scenario. The answer is yes. If you're talking about the I-751, you travel with the expired green card and that I-751 extension notice of your green card.
Olga Murillo on YouTube. Once USCIS receives my adjustment of status application, how long does it take for them to start processing it?
Immediately. It just takes them a long time to complete it.
Asgard Can on YouTube. I got an immigrant visa interview IR5 at the U.S. Embassy, Trinidad. They put me in the administrative process and asked for a few documents. Should I be worried or is that normal?
Well, it depends what documents they asked you for. If they asked you for 7 of your dispositions for all your convictions, yeah, I'd be worried. If they asked you for a better photocopy of your birth certificate, well, then it doesn't seem to be a big deal. So it depends what they're asking for.
Ginger Juice on YouTube. How long until I get my adjustment of status work authorization? It's been 3 months since I completed my biometrics and the check has not been cashed by USCIS yet.
Probably another 4 or 5 months.
Okay, last one from John Adel on YouTube. Why does an affidavit letter from friends about good faith marriage have to be from a U.S. citizen?
It doesn't. It could be from a resident. It could be from anybody who knows you. How's that for an answer? Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.